Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix a problem when you want to install some games in Google Play Store, but you can't seem to find it on Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus. And to do this, first let's open a Google Play Store and actually try to find some games. Let's go for Call of Duty and Diablo Immortal. So right here in Call of Duty, if we can see the icon, but if we press on it, nothing happens. The same is with Diablo Immortal. Also, same issue. And to fix both of them, go back, click on the profile picture, open the settings, enter family, then parental controls. Right here we can either disable parental controls entirely or enter apps and games, type in your PIN code, click on OK and increase PG to 16 or even 18. Make sure to save those settings afterwards and go back, look for those games again, and right now we can install Diablo Immortal and Call of Duty as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.